Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix unavailable call on WhatsApp. So if you are not being able to call someone on WhatsApp and it says call unavailable on WhatsApp, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The issue may be coming due to the issue of network, SIM, or the app itself. To fix it, make sure that you have your device connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. And your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, and you're still getting the issue, then turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, then it helps you to fix the network issue which you're getting on a device. So after that, you just need to go to WhatsApp and see if you're able to make the call and it stopped saying call unavailable or not. So if it is still saying that, you just need to go to Play Store or App Store, and from here you just need to click on the option of search and search the WhatsApp app and check if there is any update available on the app. So if there is any update available on the app, then you just need to make sure the app is up to date and go back to WhatsApp again and check if you are able to call it or not. So if you are still not being able to make the call, then you just need to simply uninstall the app from a device and reinstall it again from one Play Store or App Store, and by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the WhatsApp call unavailable. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.